Welcome everyone to another brand new video. Today in this video I like to share you guys how to hide and unhide home screen page on your any iPhone in 2022. Find out in this video. I am Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So guys, let's start the video. This is iPhone 13 and right now the smartphone running iOS 15 and this method also support iOS 15 and iOS 14. So at first touch and hold an empty area of your home screen. Then tap on the dots. So as you can see that right now we have a 4 visible home screen page. To hide the home screen page, tap the circle to unselect. Then tap on done and again tap on done. So as you can see that we are already hide our 2 home page. And at the same way you also unhide the home screen page. Okay, this is all about today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like and share and sub the channel. See you to another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.